The election manifesto of the JVP was launched today.
Frontline leaders of the JVP, professionals representing various fields and many others attended the convention. A song composed by the JVP for the elections was also unveiled. The Accord of Consciousness, a collective of ideas and proposals from organizations, individuals and experts from various fields, contain 5 key points. The key points in the Accord are people-friendly rule, high standard in human resources, modernized and industrialized country, a just society and liberal citizen. Under the point, people's friendly rule, attention has been drawn towards state components, state power and state operations. The JVP had also drawn its attention towards many other proposals including fundamental rights, national security, national unity and foreign policy. Education and health has been addressed under key points of high standard human resources. JVP also focused its attention on water, food, nutrition, healthcare, sports and fitness and science and technology as well. Under the key point of a just society, the JVP underlines the importance of fundamental human rights, the judiciary and the prevention of waste, corruption and fraud.
Some question what will happen to the investments when we are elected. We will call for investments in accordance to the economy and to build the country. If all of us come together, we can take forward the production and services of the country and also seek a portion of the world production and services within the next 5 years. We need to mold this country. We make an assurance to the people. All the 360,000 who enter grade 1 will receive an education where they will be provided with an employment opportunity upon the completion of their education. The JVP government will take the responsibility of providing a house to all married couples. The JVP will also give priority in ensuring that the health service will meet the requirements to live a healthy life. We will do it. We will also create a judicial system where everyone's cases will be proceeded in an efficient manner. We will also make the state governance mechanism more efficient. We need to make that happen. What was done over the past 67 years? Will they ever correct themselves when they have failed to build national reconciliation and national unity? No, they are spreading nationalist sentiments to gain power. The JVP does not follow the international extortion policy. The JVP will have a foreign policy that will place Sri Lanka in high position in the international arena.
The JVP also focuses on building a modern society.
All those who wanted to remain in power by force across the world have been given their due place by the people. That is the dustbin. Therefore, anyone trying to come back by force will meet that end. We witnessed that on the 8th of January. We are aware that a majority of leaders of political parties, especially those who are in power, are good actors. They will smile for the camera and later use profanity to the people. The leaders of the past are those who looked away from the people. We will risk our lives to protect the trust that you have placed on us.